Data plays a vital role in the semiconductor industry. It helps understand the physics of semiconductor devices, simulate their behavior, and optimize their production process. Data is also helpful in analyzing the market and predicting future trends. With data, semiconductor companies can reduce production time and costs while increasing efficiency and accuracy. Semiconductor companies can also gain a competitive edge in the market and stay ahead of their competitors. It also plays a crucial role during testing and validation and ensures the products meet quality standards. Semiconductor data is also helpful for monitoring production processes and identifying potential problems before they become costly. Eventually, by leveraging data, semiconductor companies can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase customer satisfaction. On the other side, data also helps to determine the cost of production, as well as the quality and performance of the device. Additionally, semiconductor companies can use data to analyze customer feedback and develop new products or services that meet customer needs. By understanding how data affects semiconductor costs, companies can make informed decisions about their research and development investments and strategies for pricing their products.